Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have an app for you. This app is mainly into section of images and stuff. So on this app you can get various types of images. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. The name of this app is Unsplash. So let's just read the description of this app. So the description goes like the Unsplash app is home for over 2.5 million free high resolution images brought to you by the world's most generous community of photographers. So it has more than 2.5 million images, and these all images are been created, edited by n number of creators and photographers all over the world. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how these images are, what kind of these images are. And this has a feature in which you can download this image and you can use this image anywhere you want. These are completely copyright free images, and these images also have sections like a color shade image or a image with some people, a person face image, likewise. So let's just get to the mobile screen and see how this app is, how we can use this app and how we can download the images.
So here's the app, guys, Unsplash. So this is how you get to see various kind of images with all high resolution stuff. So the rating for this app is 4.6 out of 5, and this rating is given by 359 users. The size of this app is also pretty small, it's 6.1 MB. So let's just open it. So this is the interface of the app. So on the top you get to see various section. So the first section is editorial, which has like new image every day. So the photos for everyone is like this is the image which you'll see changing every day. So it's like images for everyone. And as you scroll down, you get to see many different kinds of images. And these images are just like wow. They are so high resolution and so good edited and captured. And when you click on any image, you have this section of eye, you have this eye thing. So when you click on it, you get to see the details of the image. So this image is not having any details, so let's just check for other images. So if you go for this image, I believe this image will have, yes, so here it is. So this image was clicked by a camera of Sony company. The model number of the camera is given. Then there are shutter speed, aperture, focal length, ISO, dimension, and when it was published. So this all information is useful for many photographers. So it has all these details, and you have this button of download. So when you click on this, you can see the animation and the photo is getting downloaded, and it gets downloaded with all the high resolution as the dimension given over here, 4000 into 6000. So those are the pixel dimension. And let's just jump into some other sections. So you have color theory. So this is into white color, skin color, red color, white color. So these are mainly color filtered photo. You can't say it a color filtered, but kind of into color filter. And then these are wallpapers. So you can use any of this wallpaper for your mobile phone. These all are high resolution images. Then you have nature, people. So you have nature. I just got the notification and it diverted me to other app. So these are the images of nature. Just look at this image. This is so wow. Let me just increase brightness. Just have a look. Such an awesome image these are. And here are the images of people. So like a portrait you can say. So you have this option over here to search images. So you can search it by photo, collection, or user. So if you know like you are following some photo artist who is on this app, so you can search it from here. Then you also have a section of adding the image. So you can add the image and you can select like which category that image is. And then you have this your profile. So in this you have your photos, your likes, your collection. So this is the collection, the photo I have downloaded. I have shortlisted. So yes guys, this is what the app is about. It's a pretty good app to have various kind of photos, various kind of details, and you can also upload your own portfolio over here. So yes, go check it out. I have given the link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.